Hello everyone, today I will be analyzing the possible plastic surgery procedures of the members of Aespa. This was requested in the comment section of my Oh My Girl plastic surgery analysis video.
If you have any requests which group you want to see me analyze, please leave it in the comments. I think plastic surgery is neither bad or good, as celebrities has immense pressure to look as good as they possibly can, which can be helped by plastic surgery. I think it will be a healthier environment if celebrities in general are more open and honest about plastic surgery and cosmetic procedures that they've done, or at least not lie about it, so the general public can see that beauty is attainable through plastic surgery. I know there's a stigma around plastic surgery all around the world, but people need to realize that it's pretty common among celebrities, as it's demanded by society that celebrities look perfect, so we shouldn't blame them if they resort to plastic surgery. I want this video series to be a form of discussion between people who are interested in the possible procedures celebrities had, and break the negative sentiment around plastic surgery. I assume that many celebrities, including K-pop idols, have done some sort of cosmetic procedures because their occupation demands them to look as good as they possibly can. I may be totally wrong about this assumption, as I don't know what goes on behind the scenes. A few disclaimers before we begin. I'm not a plastic surgeon, nor have I gotten plastic surgery, so my knowledge in this area is limited. These are just my speculations and not facts. I have no idea about the members' medical history, and these are just my speculations, so you can respectfully disagree. This post is not meant to send hate to the members, as they are probably pressured by the industry to look as good as they possibly can. With that out of the way, let's get started.
Karina has a lot of adorable predebut photos online. The most striking change to me is her jawline. Her current jawline looks unnaturally small and sharp. When we see her predebut photos, we can see that her jawline has always been on the smaller side, but did not look as small and sharp as they are now. She probably got jaw reduction to make her face more V-shaped. I personally think this possible procedure wasn't necessary, as it makes her jawline look pretty unnatural to me, though it does make her visuals look really doll-like. If that is the look that she's trying to achieve, I respect her choice. Her eyes look larger vertically now. I think she likely got ptosis repair. She has always had small double eyelids, but her eyelids are slightly higher now. Her eyelids may have gotten higher with age, or with straining her eyelids using eyelid tape. I'm not too sure about her eyelids, so I will put double eyelid surgery as a possibility. Her nose is more projected and slimmer now. She likely got a nose implant to achieve this look. In conclusion, I think Karina likely got jaw reduction, ptosis repair, and rhinoplasty. There's also a possibility that she got double eyelid surgery. I personally think some of the possible procedure weren't necessary, as she has always been pretty. I love her doll-like visuals paired with her amazing body proportions. She's truly blessed with good looks. Moving on to Giselle. Giselle has a lot of adorable pre-debut photos online. She looks like a really outgoing kid in the pre-debut photos. The most obvious change to her face is her jawline. Her jaw used to be larger, and she used to have a square-shaped face, while her current face shape is more oval. She likely got a jaw reduction to achieve this look. Her eyes also became larger vertically. I think this was caused by a combination of double eyelid surgery and ptosis repair. I noticed that she looks pretty different compared to her debut days. Her nose became a lot slimmer now. I personally think she got a rhinoplasty, as her nose looks really pinched and unnaturally small for the proportions of her face. Her lips are also fuller now. I think this was likely caused by a combination of fillers to her top and bottom lips and overlining her lips with makeup. In conclusion, I think Giselle likely got a jaw reduction, double eyelid surgery with ptosis repair, rhinoplasty, and fillers to her top and bottom lips. I personally really like her strong jawline. It fits her face really well, and it will make her visuals stand out. Sadly, the Korean beauty standards finds girls with smaller jawline to be prettier. Moving on to Winter. Winter has a lot of adorable pre-debut photos online. She has always been pretty. The most obvious change to her face is her nose. Her nose used to be rounder and larger compared to her really slim nose now. She likely got a nose implant to achieve this look. I think her eyes are natural, as they didn't seem to change at all since childhood. I personally don't see other changes to her face that are likely due to plastic surgery. In conclusion, I think Winter likely got a rhinoplasty. She has always been really pretty. I love her adorable visuals. I find that Winter and Karina do look really similar. I hope I'm not the only one that thinks that way. Last but not least, we have Ning Ning. Ning Ning has the most pretty big content out of all the members. She didn't look to change too much. She used to have inconsistent eyelids. I think her double eyelids are probably natural, as when people age, they start to lose baby fat, which includes fat on the eyelids, which means her eyelids may be more consistent as she ages. She probably also trains her eyelids using eyelid tape to make her double eyelids more consistent. Her nose looks slimmer and more projected now. I think she got a rhinoplasty to achieve this look. In conclusion, I think Ning Ning likely got a rhinoplasty. I think the possible procedure was really well done and enhanced her appearance in the best way possible. She's truly blessed with good looks. Remember, when I do these analyses, I'm always at a neutral position. I don't think plastic surgery is bad nor good, so let's not spread unnecessary hate towards the members or my opinions. I hope anyone watching this takes this post in a positive way and realize that plastic surgery is not a bad thing. We need to understand that K-pop idols and other celebrities have a lot of pressure to look good, so it's not a bad thing if they resort to plastic surgery, as it is demanded by society. As I stated in the beginning, this is not meant for fuel to send hate towards the members. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.